just gonna say it. This launch wasn't it.
It just wasn't blurring. Where's the bake?
What was this?
Where's that? What is this?
Sorry, did you have some comments you wanted to share?
Maybe we had a couple notes?
Sis.
Babes.
Girl.
Put up.
It's not easy, babe.
I heard you. And I agree. Let's try this again. Shall we?
I'm back, like I never left off the bat. Had to bring it back. I need the bump for it in the back like that. Top of my game, that's a fact.
It's a filter. Now that is easy bake. Now this is easy bake pressed.